The Pulley V-belt drives your belt sander's belt. It attaches to the motor pulley on one side and the drive wheel pulley on the other. After years of use, the belt will wear, often cracking or stretching out. If the sander is overloaded, the sanding belt can stall, and the motor pulley will then burn through the belt. Replacing the Pulley V-belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the sander. With the cover removed, now I can remove the belt. I'll rotate the pulleys back and forth, pushing the belt away from them as I go. Now I can install the new belt. I'll place the belt around one of the pulleys, and then again rotate the pulley as I work the belt onto the opposite pulley. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new V-belt on your belt sander. We hope this video helped you with your repair. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And for more repair videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below.